Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful heart. You know me, I absolutely adore hearts, and I've made many a heart on my channel, so there's lots of things on there so you can go and have a look at. But this was just made with a pack of drawing pins, and I had a gold pack and I had a silver pack, and I decided to make a gold one. Really simple, really easy, and it turned out fantastic. So what I may do is to make a larger one, maybe that size, and I'm going to just do that on the one side, not two sides, and put that on my wall, and I think that's going to be amazing. If you could get some red ones, that would be great for Valentine's Day as well. So if you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Right, first of all is that we need to draw our heart for our template. So you can just do freehand, or if you've got a heart yourself, then you can, say you've got an old heart like this, then you can draw around that as a template, but I'm just going to draw mine. Then I'm going to cut out that with my trusty bread knife again. Remember, I always use my bread knife, just so it's just easier to cut through than the pair of scissors, because it gives you that nice straight edge there. We've got a nice simple heart. Now I've cut two hearts out exactly the same. Now I'm just going to stick them together. This is the heart all stuck together. I'm just going to make a hole so then we can hang it up. So I've just got a skewer here, and I'm just going to make a hole, go all the way through. Get some twine, poke it through, do a little knot, and that's how we're going to hang it up. So all we need to do now is decorate it, but we're going to decorate the side first. And this is where I've got some of the gold drawing pins or the silver ones. Now I'm going to do one of each so you can see what they both look like. I'm going to use the gold first. I'm going to put a little bit of glue down. I'm just going to place these right in the centre. So then we're going to do that all the way around. So now we're just going to fill all the inside in. Same again, tiny bit of glue. Now I'm only putting the glue on because if a small child gets this, you don't want them to be taking all the pins out, so it's just a bit more secure. Now we need to do this side. So this is the end result of the both sides. I think it looks really impressive, this one. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. If this is the first video you've seen of me, I've got lots and lots of different things on my channel. Things that you can find around the house and make a craft out of it, or if you've been outside and you picked up a few sticks, then I've got loads of different things on there that you can make yourself as well. If you've actually liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.